Mr. Ginsburg?
Who are you?
I'm Roger Sharp. I'm writing a book on pinball.
Why?
Well, no one's written a book about pinball yet.
No one's written a book about my wife. That doesn't make it a great idea.
I really think...
Oh, I don't do interviews. Talk to Deb. She'll show you around.
Ginsburg and Wendell, 34, meek with glasses, look over potential art images.
You know I don't like green.
Are you run by the mob?
The hell's wrong with you?
Do you make these games to steal lunch money from children to get them addicted to gambling?
You know I don't.
But no one else does because you aren't talking to them.
What? So I should talk to you?
Yes, Mr. Ginsburg, respectfully. You're the one who started this company, who knows the history. Deborah can't tell your story. No offense. I'm sure you're great. Thank you.
Listen, kid.
Roger.
You want to know how I survived? How I kept this place running when half America was hell-bent to shut us down?
Yes.
I kept my head down. Shut my mouth. There's too much attention paid to this industry as it is.
Negative attention. Did you see my article in Gentleman's Quarterly?
I don't read Gentleman's Quarterly.
It featured Red Baron, your game. How are
Jesus.
the sales? Red Baron sales are up.
Who else are you talking to?
Everyone. Gottlieb, Williams.
Harry?
Of course.
Come back Thursday. You'll get your interview. And shut that damn door.